Hello everyone, welcome to Faewood Mead. Welcome back to Faewood Mead. If you're new here, appreciate you. Checking out my video. This is the 1 year banana cream tasting. It's been a bit over a year now, actually. This definitely did not bottle clearly. This has schmutz in it, which I think is probably mostly honey. At the end of this video, I will have up the making of this mead, just in case. Sometimes I like to watch tasting videos before I watch the making of video. You know, if they're two separate things, or like the year tasting, just to know if it's something that I would really want to try or not. Whoa, that is perfumed. Oh yeah, that smells like bananas, all right. Gosh darn it. I try to be good at pouring and I'm just not. As far as I remember, this has a lot of banana and a lot of lactose in it to give it a super creamy mouthfeel. Gosh, it just screams like ripe banana, like banana bread. Oh man, that's a dessert. This was back sweetened with meadow foam, so it does have sort of a marshmallowiness to it. It's just like a soft cushion, a soft banana cushion. Feels really good, like moving over the palate. Yeah, it's just really smooth. Very smooth, very banana-y. There's something like almost luxurious about it in a way. I think just because of how strong the flavor is and the feeling on your palate is just very pleasant. I feel like it'd be good as an aperitif because you want something a little bit sweeter, I think. That's what stimulates appetite, right? I feel like this would be appetite stimulating. It would also be good after a meal, I think, because it's just sweet and good. It's sweet and good. I mean, what else can I say about it? Sheesh, I don't know. I wish this were a little bit clearer. Now it's all kinds of muddled. I would 100% make this again. Easy decision there. Definitely would make this again. Bananas, pretty fun. You definitely need a lot of fruit to like really get an impactful flavor. I mean, I don't go light on my fruit, you know? I like a lot of fruit in my mead, that's for darn sure. Actually, it would be good with a little bit of like a cinnamon, maybe nutmeg, make it a little bit more like pie-like. Even throwing graham crackers in there, which I've done a couple of times. I feel like graham crackers do impart like a little bit of a flavor mouthfeel kind of thing, but oftentimes I feel like it does kind of get swept under because it's so light. You pull such a light amount of flavor. I recommend trying it out. At least trying a banana recipe. It doesn't need to be banana cream pie, but even if you were to watch that recipe, watch that video, and just take the bananas, the amount of bananas used, and do that. I made this quite sweet. At the end, I wanted it to be kind of dessert-like. I don't know what it ended at, but anyway, you can watch the video and find out. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you all so much. Sorry my posting is a little spotty. Anyways, check out all the links below. I appreciate your support. Mwah. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.